We're solving the 2-sum-2 problem. Given a sorted array that's one indexed and a target value, we need to find two numbers that add up to the target and return their one-based indices. Since the array is sorted, we can use a two-pointer technique instead of a hash map, which is very efficient. We initialize two pointers. Left starts at the beginning of the array at index 0, and right starts at the end of the array at the last index. The key insight is that since the array is sorted, we can intelligently move these pointers inward to find our target sum. We enter a while loop that continues as long as left is less than right. This ensures our two pointers never cross each other and that we're always looking at two distinct elements. The loop will terminate either when we find the answer or when the pointers meet. Inside the loop, we calculate the sum of the elements at our two pointer positions. The debug logging shows us the current state, which indices we are looking at, what values are there, and what their sum is. This helps us trace through the algorithm's execution. If the sum equals our target, we've found our answer. We return the indices as 1 based by adding 1 to both left and right. Since the problem guarantees exactly one solution exists, we know this condition will eventually be met. Here's where the sorted property really shines. If the sum is too small, we move the left pointer rightward to increase the sum, since larger values are to the right. If the sum is too large, we move the right pointer leftward to decrease the sum. This guarantees we converge toward the answer. If somehow no solution is found, we return an empty array. In practice, the problem guarantees exactly one solution. So this line serves as a safety net to satisfy the TypeScript compiler's return type requirement. This two-pointer approach is elegant and efficient. The time complexity is O of n since each pointer moves at most n times total. And the space complexity is O of 1 since we only use two variables, compared to a hash map approach which uses O of n space. This leverages the sorted property to achieve constant space while maintaining linear time.